Wherever you look for great innovation in smartphones, PCs, tablets, and other electronic products, you will find Denora's electrodes. Hi, I am Hideto Shimizu. My primary role is Global Product Manager for Electronics and Surface Finishing, and this is a Decode. Denora's most advanced electrodes are at the heart of many printed circuit boards, the brain of our digital devices. Our technology also plays a great role in semiconductors, aluminum capacitors, and lithium batteries production. Denora defined a new era in electrodes in 1984 here in Japan. Denora Perimec was the first in the world to replace a lead anode with a dimensional stable electrode and dimensional stable anode in copper foil using an electroforming process. Specifically, DSE made the differences in this process by helping to reduce the power consumption and stabilize the long operations. In 1998, Denora Perimec has invented the detachable anode for high-end technological products. The design of our detachable anode with its specific coating was a great advancement. It can be used and reused, extend its lifespan and reliability. This innovation enables us to offer very interesting long-term leasing contract for our client, like 5 years. Denora can guarantee continuous operation and zero downtime. We at Denora believe it's our job to deliver high-quality anodes that can ensure longer service life, less maintenance, and more productivity. Our research and development team always puts the customer benefit at the center of each project to help them save the production cost, improve the performance, and generate more yield. I dedicated all my career in Denora Group to evolving my approach to the job. I started in the design team and later moved to R&D, where I kept improving my know-how. Later, I moved to the sales department, where I could witness firsthand the needs of our clients, both in Japan and China, where I became global product manager. All the experience I had got played a great role and was very useful for all the team. We at Denora are strongly focused in making our manufacturing process more sustainable. Being able to reuse titanium material, coating material from our main production processes, recoating and therefore readapting existing electrode for new purpose, reducing cell voltage to shrink energy consumption. By applying this philosophy on all our electrodes, we can make differences in decarbonization.